Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Hema. In this video, I am teaching class 7 mathematics chapter 2 fractions and decimals. In my part 1 video, I have taught the exercise 2.1 first 4 questions and basics needed to this exercise. So in this part 2 video, I am continuing exercise 2.1 till end, and this is as per NCERT and state syllabus. Let us continue the exercise 2.1. Question number 5 under the exercise 2.1. Find the perimeter of a triangle ABE, and second one the rectangle BCDE in this figure. So we have to find the perimeter of a triangle and perimeter of the rectangle, and whose perimeter is greater. Based on the perimeter of a triangle and rectangle, we have to conclude whether the perimeter of a triangle is greater or perimeter of a rectangle is greater. Now let us consider the triangle ABE. So in ABE, what they have given? They have given AB is equal to 5 by 2 centimeter and BE is equal to 3 by 4 centimeter and AE is equal to 3 by 5 centimeter. So write down what is given. Okay. Next, the perimeter of a triangle ABE is equal to, what is the perimeter of a triangle? It is sum of the three sides. So AB plus BE plus AE. Okay. So what are the values of AB, BE plus AE? It is written here. So write down 5 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5. Okay, so these three fractions are under addition now. That is to find the perimeter of a triangle, which is equal to, now here we have two mixed fractions. So convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Therefore, this will become 5 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So this will become 11 by 4 plus 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So write down 18 by 5. Now we have 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. Now here the denominators are different. That means these are all unlike fractions. Now convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by finding the LCM for the denominators. LCM of 2, 4, 5, it will be 20. Okay. Now what we have to do next? Convert the like fractions into and unlike fractions into an equivalent fractions, so that the denominator should be 20. Therefore 5 by 2, it will become 5 by 2 into 10 by 10, because here the denominator should be 20, mean we have to multiply the denominator with 10. When we are multiplying the denominator, multiply the numerator also. So this will become 5 into 10 divided by 2 into 10 plus 11 by 4 into 5 by 5 plus 18 by 5 into 4 by 4. Now what is 5 tens are 50 divided by 2 tens are 20 plus 11 5s are 55 divided by 4 5s are 20 plus 18 4s are 72 divided by 5 4s are 20. Now we have the denominators same. Therefore add the numerators 50 plus 55 plus 72 divided by 20. So which is equal to 117, that is 177 divided by 20. 177 by 20 equal 817 by 20, because when we cross verify is that what is 8 into 20, it is 160. 160 plus 17, it is 177. Therefore 177 divided by 20 is nothing but 817 by 20. So this is the perimeter of a triangle ABE. Now let us go for second sub questions. So we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle BCDE. So in a rectangle BCDE, what is given? They have given length of the rectangle BE equal to 3 by 4 centimeter and ED, that is the breadth of the rectangle, 7 by 6 centimeter. Now what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Equal 2 into length plus breadth. So write down the values of the length and breadth. So this will become 2 into 2, 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6, which is equal to, so here we have one mixed fraction. So convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. So this will become 2 into, what is 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Now here the denominators are different, mean these two are unlike fractions. Now what we have to do? We have to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. How to do? By LCM method. So find the LCM for 4 and 6. So what is the LCM for 4 and 6? It is 12. Because 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 3 remains. Next 3 1s are 1 remains and 3 1s are 3. Therefore 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the LCM. Now we have to convert the unlike fractions into equivalent fractions with the denominator as 20. Therefore this will become 2 into 11 by 4 into 3 by 3. Here we want the denominator 12, mean multiply the 4 by 4 with 3, and when we are multiplying the denominator, multiply the numerator also. Therefore this will become 11 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 plus 7 by 6 into 2 by 2. Okay, now this will become 2 into 11 3s are 33 divided by 4 3s are 12 plus 7 2s are 14 divided by 6 2s are 12. So now we have like fractions. Now we can add the fractions since the denominators are same. So 2 into 33 plus 14 divided by 12. So now what is 33 plus 14? It is 47. So this will become 247 by 12. Now here we can cancel 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 47 by 6, which is equal to 7 5 by 6. Because when we cross verify this one, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 5, it is 47. Therefore 47 by 6 equal to 7 5 by 6. Otherwise we can do it in this way also. 6 1s are 6, 6 7s are 42, 42 and the remainder is 5, and therefore the 6 7s are what, 7, it should be written here, and the remainder 5, and here the denominator 6. So 7 5 by 6 centimeter is the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, now compare the perimeter of a triangle and that of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of the triangle? 8 17 by 20, and perimeter of a rectangle is 7 5 by 6. Therefore 8 17 by 20, it is greater than 7 5 by 6 centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of a triangle ABE is greater than perimeter of the rectangle. Now let us see the question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. So here what is the size of the picture? It is 7 3 by 5 centimeter. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 4 centimeter. So 7 3 by 10 centimeter, it is the size of the frame. Therefore the picture cannot be more than the size of the frame. Therefore, how much should the picture be trimmed? So, the size of the picture has to be trimmed. So, by this we can understand that the size of the picture 7 3 by 5, it is greater than size of the frame 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Now, let us see how much the picture to be trimmed. What is the width of the picture? Equal 7 3 by 5 centimeter. So that is given in the question. And the width of the picture frame equal 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Now the size of the picture to be trimmed. How much? Therefore the picture should be trimmed equal 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Now convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 3, 38. So this will become 38 by 5 minus 10 sevens are 70. 70 plus 3, 73. So therefore this will become 73 by 10. Now we have 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10 centimeter. So now here observe the denominator. The denominators are different. Therefore this is unlike fractions. Now we have to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by finding the LCM for the denominator. So what is the LCM for denominator 5 and 10? It is 10. Okay. Which is equal to 38 divided by 5. Now we have to convert the denominator into denominator is equal to 10. That is, we have to convert the unlike fraction into an equivalent fractions so that the denominator is 10. Therefore 38 by 5 into 2 by 2, because 5 2s it is 10, and when we are multiplying the denominator, multiply the numerator also. Therefore this will become 38 by 5 into 2 by 2 minus 73 by 10. So here we have 73 by 10, the denominator is 10. Therefore multiply numerator and denominator by 1. Therefore which is equal to, what is 38 into 2? 76, and 5 2s are 10. So 76 divided by 10 minus 73 by 10 centimeter. Now here the denominators are same. Therefore we can subtract the fractions. So subtract the numerators. 76 minus 73 divided by 10, which is equal to 3 by 10 centimeter. Thus the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. The next question, question number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. So there was one apple, and out of one apple, and 3 by 5 part of an apple eaten by Ritu, and the remaining part of the apple eaten by her brother. So how much part of the apple did Somu eat? So we have to find what is the part of the apple ate by Ritu's brother. That is first question. Second, who had the larger share? So who ate the larger part of the apple and by how much? So there are three questions to be solved under this. The first, the part of an apple eaten by Ritu, it is 3 by 5. Okay, that is given. And the part of an apple eaten by Somu is 1 apple minus 3 by 5, because 3 by 5 it is eaten by Ritu and the remaining portion eaten by Somu. So to find out what is the part of an apple eaten by Somu, we have to do 1 minus 3 by 5. So which is equal to, so 1 can be written as 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Okay. So here the denominators are same. Therefore do the subtraction of the numerators. 5 minus 3 divided by 5, which is equal to 2 by 5. So this is the part of an apple eaten by Somu. So we know what is the part of an apple eaten by Ritu and Somu. Next we have to mention who had the larger share and by how much. So we have to compare these two fractions. Comparing the parts of an apple eaten by Ritu and Somu, 3 by 5 and 2 by 5, it is under comparison. Now which is greater? Here the denominators are same, therefore compare the numerators. So 3 is greater than 2, therefore the corresponding fractions 3 by 5 greater than 2 by 5. So who had the Ritu has eaten more part of the share. Okay, larger part of the share. So larger share will be more by how much? By how much it is more? So for the third question, larger share will be more by 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So if we do this one, we'll get how much larger part of the apple and who ate the larger portion of the apple. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 equal 1 by 5 because 3 minus 2 it is 1 and 5 denominators are same, so this is become 1 by 5. Thus Ritu's part is 1 by 5 more than Somu's part. Okay. Now let us go for question number 8. Question number 8 says that Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. So what is the time taken by Michael to finish the coloring of the picture? 7 by 12 hours. And the time taken by Vaibhav to complete the coloring of the picture, it is 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? So we have to compare these two fractions and we have to say which is the larger, and based on that we have to conclude who worked longer and also by what fraction was it longer. So how much time it is more. Okay. Therefore now let us solve this. Time taken by Michael to color the picture is 7 by 12 hours and time taken by Vaibhav to color the picture, it is 3 by 4 hours. And here we have denominator 12 and here the denominator 4. So let us convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. So what is the LCM for 12 and 4? It is 12. Therefore here already we have denominator 12, so no need to do the conversion. We can keep as it is 7 by 12 hours and 3 by 4 will become 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. So which is equal to 9 by 12 hours. So here 3 by 4 it is nothing but 9 by 12. So wherever 3 by 4 is there we can use the 9 by 12 hours. So 7 by 12 and 9 by 12, these two fractions are under comparison. When we compare these two fractions, which is greater and which is lesser? 7 is lesser than 9. Okay. Therefore 7 by 12 less than 9 by 12. Otherwise vice versa it can be written as 9 by 12 greater than 7 by 12. Therefore Vaibhav worked longer time because 9 by 12 it is the longer time. So thus Vaibhav worked longer time. So by how much? Who worked longer time? That we know Vaibhav has taken longer time to color the picture. By what fraction was it longer? That we have to find out. Vaibhav worked longer time by how much? 9 by 12 because 3 by 4 nothing but 9 by 12. 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. So now since the denominators are same, subtract the numerator 9 minus 7 which is equal to 2. So this will become 2 by 12 equal 2 ones are 2 6 are equal 1 by 6 hour. Thus Vaibhav took 1 by 6 or more than Michael. So he has taken more time compared to Michael, that is by how much? 1 by 6 hour. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to support me and please press the bell icon for further notifications.